everyone, my name is Reza Anjani. I'm from 11th IKA. Now I'm here to explain about discussion text. Definition of discussion text. Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historical, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre used to present for at least two points of view about an issue. Jadi, discussion text merupakan sebuah teks yang berisikan tentang diskusi dari sebuah isu. Isu dapat dibahas dari berbagai sudut pandang, misalnya dari sudut pandang orang yang terlibat atau hanya pengamat saja. Next, general structure of discussion text. The first is issue, starting the issue which is to discuss. 2. Argument pro, presenting the point in supporting the present issue. 3. Argument cons, presenting other points which disagree to the supporting points. And the last, conclusion or recommendation, starting the writer recommendation of the discourse. Jadi, struktur dari teks diskusi ada isu, lalu ada argumen pro atau argumen yang bersifat mendukung. Selanjutnya ada argumen kontra atau argumen yang bersifat tidak setuju. Dan yang terakhir ada conclusion atau kesimpulan dan recommendation atau rekomendasi. Then, purpose of discussion text. Purpose of discussion text is to present two points of view about issue or problems, and then to present arguments from different point of view about issue or problems. Jadi, discussion text memiliki dua tujuan, yaitu yang pertama, untuk menyajikan suatu sudut pandang dari sebuah isu atau permasalahan. Lalu yang selanjutnya yaitu untuk menyajikan suatu argumen dari sudut pandang sebuah isu atau permasalahan. And the last is example of discussion text. Nah, jadi aku akan kasih lihat contoh discussion text yang sesuai dengan general strukturnya. Sesuai sama general strukturnya yaitu statement of issue, seperti komputer, tablet, mobile phone, and other device connected to the internet have been the most outstanding innovation in the history of mankind. As with every single innovation, the internet has its own advantage and disadvantage. General struktur berikutnya list of supporting point. The target of the internet has always been communication. With the advent of the computer's internet, our earth has reduced and has attained the form of a global village. Now we can communicate in a fraction of a second with a person who is sitting in the other part of the world. Today, for better communication, we can avail of the facility of email. We can chat for hours with our loved ones. There are plenty of message service and offering. With help of such service, it has become very easy to establish a kind of global friendship. Selanjutnya di general struktur juga ada yang kontra, seperti however the internet also has disadvantageous sides. One of them is widespread of unsuitable content for kids. It is a very serious issue and related to children's healthy mental life. There are thousands of such inappropriate content on the internet which can be easily found. Di general struktur juga ada conclusion dan recommendation. Through the internet can also create havoc and destruction, and its misuse can be very fatal. Its advantages of it outweigh its disadvantages. We must use it wisely, so we will get so many advantages.